Get Instagram likes without paying money. Number 1, connect everything. One of the first steps you should take is to connect every social media account to your IG right now, especially Facebook. The more exposure you have for your content, the more likelihood that it will get liked. This can also include Twitter, Tumblr, and so on. Number 2, post regularly. Yep, what you want to do is build up a regular group of people who like your stuff pretty much automatically. You can do this by building familiarity with yourself and/or your brand. Posting at least once or twice a day will do that for you short term and long term. Also use relevant hashtags as well to draw in similar like people to like your stuff. Number 3, Likeback, Likeback, Likeback. Anyone who likes your content, go back and like theirs in return. This will build up a good rapport quickly. Another way to super boost this is to not just like one of their posts, but 2 or 3. This will leave a good impression of you in their minds. Want more free Instagram advice? Go to instagrammarketingstrategyguide.blogspot.com. Plus, learn how you can get a free Instagram guide to make marketing on Instagram easier for more likes and followers. Go there now.